and we're gonna try to use some advanced techniques like digging into stuff. Let's make complex polyhedron called rhombobicuboctahedron. I'm sorry. It's a crazy name, right? I want this about here. Let's make a copy inside of it and make it out too much. Ctrl Z, make it smaller. How much smaller? Not much. A bit more. Okay. And click negative poly. So now this piece is empty inside, but it won't show that it is empty unless there is a hole to the outside world. So I need to make an entrance. Let's click something like this and mark it as a hollow. And to make it pretty, let's choose some textures for it, like so and like so. How it looks? It looks like empty something. Now it needs to be a bit higher because this is the floor. That's okay. But now I have all polyhedrons flying separately. I want them in one folder. Now I can take this folder and move it higher. Now what I need is some wings. And I need something to look through, need some holes inside of it. Complex polyhedron, prism 8 sides should be enough. Make it smaller, rotate, smaller still, negative, one hole here, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, one hole there, one bigger about here, make it bigger, and how it looks now. Weird, ugly, but it's just for the practice. It seems that this face is turned upside down. Well, what can we do about it? In any case, that's how we work with negative polyhedrons in QuaRK. What else can we do? Well, all this crap is outside of the group. Am I right? How does it work? Can I make another polyhedron for testing only? Let's make it inside and make it in a separate folder. This is T fighter and this is test. And let's create a hole a smaller one. And rotate, and a bit longer. Let's go through. Too far. And make it negative. And change it for something like so. Just because. And now this one is negative and goes through our creation, but it's in a different folder than the rest of it. How it works? I have a hole that goes here, but it doesn't go through here. So what will be affected by negative polyhedron is decided by the folder you are put it in. So that's the thing to remember. Can I walk through this? No, it's too small. Anyway, that's how we create holes and empty spaces. Now, another folder without the player, empty one, and hollow. And inside we need a simple piece, and from commands let's make it hollow. Okay. What happened? Ctrl Z. This is our polyhedron. Commands, make hollow. Now we have 6. Okay. And let's name it extrude. And now one polyhedron inside, and commands extrude walls. It was make hollow, now extrude walls. Okay, so what do we have here? 6 pieces. And it created by itself a new folder. Okay, so this one just made 6 pieces. This one, extrude walls, made separate folder by itself. The difference is make hollow keeps the outside dimensions and creates emptiness inside. Extrude walls works in the other way. It keeps inside dimensions and make walls outside. Let's take this wall out because we want to walk in. Now let's see how it looks. Oh, so make it hollow, extrude walls. I think it's clear and visible what it does. And what if I make complex polyhedron and we want this polyhedron in a separate folder just to be safe, because make it hollow, we're gonna make some mess. Make hollow, this stuff was created and there is a lot of pieces. Let's remove this and see how it looks. Okay, it is too low, but as we can see, pretty perfect from outside and perfect from inside. And another difference is every wall is a separate piece, so I can easily make weird things with it. What do I mean? I can move it around or do some weird things. I don't know. Just experiment. Anyway, almost the same result, but created in a different way. This is the prism, 8 sides, and make it a bit longer. And above all, let's put this prism in a separate folder. Yeah. Magic. Now, to make it look pretty, let's take something like a roof. This one is nice, and make a copy. Okay. Let's work with 8. Oh, 16 should be nice. Let's make another copy. Turn a bit and move here. Oh, it aligns perfectly. Sweet. Go higher above all this stuff. Another one, Control C, Control V, like so, and it should align perfectly. Nice. Control C, Control V. I want this like so, but just 45 degrees. It's a lot. We should handle this. Right? I hope so. We'll see how high it goes. Too high. Goes to here. And this one, Control C, Control V. Go higher. And align. Okay. Just so. Fine. Should be okay. Let's see what we have here. Few prisms, right? In one folder. Mark them all. Take commands. Make it hollow. Magic. Now we need to open one side to get in. Which one? I think the lid on the top. Let's see how it looks. Didn't I open this? Oh, from this side. What do we have here? Artifact. Okay. Sometimes shit happens. So, this is magic. I just need few polyhedrons, and then using magical command make it hollow, I can make endless tunnels. Whee! So nice. How this one looks weird into pieces. So this was few words about boring and piecing stuff. So I think that's it for now.